All right, mateys, something really different tonight. My version of Bavarian apple and sausage hash. Here's all we're gonna need and how simple it is to cook. Well, as the recipe name implies, we're gonna need some sausage, whatever type you would like, a quarter cup or maybe a half a cup of diced onions, Brussels sprouts, and you see how nice and thin we sliced them here. An apple, I'm going to peel and core that and cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. About a quarter cup of walnuts, brown sugar, wine for the chef. I'm using canola oil, or you could use olive oil, about a quarter cup of vinegar, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and put my glass down. I use some ground fennel seeds. I guess you could use the whole fennel, but that would be a little tough. So I ground that up. It's going to be about a tablespoon. Oh, and a couple cloves of garlic. What we're going to do is saute all the sausage, onion, and Brussels sprouts. Then I'm going to throw all the other ingredients in, and last, the apple. So now to get the full flavor, I'm going to heat our pan with a little bit of oil. And I've already minced the garlic into the onions. We're going to throw that in. We're going to let that start to cook a little bit. So now you can see our pan is getting hot. The onions and garlic are starting to saute. We're going to throw the sausage in. Whoops. I'm going to cook that. And you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the ground fennel to that now. And that's going to be it. And we're going to saute. Once this gets cooked, we'll throw the Brussels sprouts in. Well, now the sausage is almost cooked. Let's throw the Brussels sprouts in. Now, if you had fresh sprouts, would be better. Unfortunately, I had to use frozen, but that's still good. The other thing is, I'm not going to cut and peel the apple till the last. I don't want this to turn dark. All right, our prime ingredients are cooked. I have peeled and cut the apple, and don't worry if you leave a little bit of skin on it, it's not going to hurt it. Throw in our walnuts, brown sugar, squirt of mustard, a little bit of vinegar. Yeah. Hear that? Oh, is that good? Well, that's all there was to it, guys. Doesn't that look good? So until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends. And bon appetit.